Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Margie Dapan, 31 years of age. I live in Pagadian City, Philippines. I am single. I have one elder sister. I am the youngest. I am Roman Catholic. I am high school graduate. And I do have work experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years, from year 2017 to 2019, and also in Qatar from year 2021 to 2023. And it was both finished contract. My work there as a domestic helper is cleaning all around the house, cooking, ironing, do the laundry, and taking care of the baby. To all prospective employer in Hong Kong, I hope that you will choose me as one of your house helper, and I will do my duty responsibly. And I'm also willing to learn new tasks that you will given to me. And I promise that I will follow all the rules and regulations in your house, and I will love, serve, and respect all the members in your family. You can reach me in my WhatsApp number 0985-518-6383. Thank you and God bless you.